Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to the landfill. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more touristic deals. Just basically want to share the experiences of going to the landfill. I have made another video before, but this is the second video I do. So go ahead and stick around, enjoy it. It's pretty much a rainy day today. It's actually raining all week, Christmas week, which is weird here. We usually never get this much rain or days like this. So hopefully it will not be raining when I get there. So I don't want to get wet. Alright, we're basically passing the Cardinal Stadium. It's hard to see from this side, but we got some show lights there that they have. And the Cardinal Stadium is on the other side of there, as you guys see right there. Hopefully you guys can see a little bit. But yeah, that's the Cardinal Stadium here in Glendale, Arizona. That's like a little shopping mall that they have. Some bars and stuff like that. A movie theater, Dave & Buster's. Then on this side we got Cabela's. Cabela's. And that is the 101 right there. And that's the trash that we have. Pretty much got a lot of tile, some concrete, but mostly old tile that we have. There's not really a lot of trash. I just didn't want to have it sitting on my driveway like this. You know, I wanted to hopefully wash the truck when the rain gets here. Just want to have that trash there. Alright, that's the airport. There's a small airport here on this side of town. Wow, the road's really bumpy. But yeah, that's a small airport right there. See the road, it's all bad. And that's the landfill right there. It's actually like that pile of dirt mountain. That's the landfill right there. Who knows if they're gonna have us go up there or either go all the way down, or who knows. So we'll see right now. It's pretty high. You see the truck, the trailers right there, the big mountain on the back. That's how tall that thing is. Looks like we got another truck here in the front that's going the same way. Actually, a couple trucks. Some trash trucks on the back. Looks like they got it straight. Before it used to be that way, but now it's just straight, I guess. And here they have like a police or fire department training center. I don't know if you guys could see it. It got all kinds of buildings and ladders and all kinds of stuff. Maybe they train with paintball guns and the police. There's a landfill on that side. There's a fire trucks right there. And I don't know what they ask in your region, city or whatever, but here they just ask for the driver's license. The driver's license with your address. And that's it. And they do charge you if you come like more than once a month, which I think it's pretty fair, you know. If you're doing this for a business, obviously they're gonna charge you for it. So let's on this side. And that's the fees right there. Standard rates $32.25. Last time I came here, they actually charged me because I came twice and I didn't know they charged. But yeah, they do charge. It's another truck right here, trash truck. And that that right there that you see, that white truck facing this way, that's the lane where they actually weigh your truck. They weigh your truck on the way back. So if they're gonna charge you, make sure you don't go over the limits or something, or they charge you by the ton. So what you do is you leave a deposit or a credit card, and then that's how they charge you, and just pick up your money on the way back. All right, he's proceeding, so I'm just gonna proceed to the little booth, show my driver's license. Oh, it's a bumpy. We're in the scale now, so they're gonna measure our truck.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Four-wheel drive?
Oh yeah.
Okay, and it is four-wheel drive only, so if you get stuck, you have to call your own tow truck.
Oh, okay. So is it pretty muddy up there?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
There you go. Thank you.
Thank you. You guys heard it. So it's four-wheel drive only. So we're gonna put this on four-wheel drive, I guess. Use that little lever down there. Didn't expect that. Hold on, let me just put it on four-wheel. All right, four-wheel is engaged. All you need is a little push, a little momentum, maybe about 3 miles an hour, and then just put the lever all the way to the front in neutral to where you put the trash. That's, oh yeah, there's a lot of mud out here. Maybe that's what they said, you know, put it on four-wheel drive. Yeah, a lot of these trucks, oh yeah, there's a lot of mud. I think that's exaggerated, but yeah, I can see why they're required four-wheel drive now. Look at that. It's a very beautiful view right there. Put my wipers on. Looks like that's where they're putting all the trash. Lifted truck right there. Those are the big machines. Let's see what they tell you. Oh, bumpy ride. Yep, there's a lot of mud. All right, let's turn this back. Let's get off. It's another 4x4 truck right there. Basically ended up cutting myself with some tile. Should have worn some gloves. You know how this is. You always forget everything. There's the bleeding. Alright, looks like it's fairly okay. Alright, let's turn on the truck and get out. Alright, let's put it on drive. Get out. Back on two-wheel drive. I don't think they need four-wheel back here. All right, we're back on two-wheel drive. We got a lot of rocks flying everywhere. That's the only thing I don't like about this mudding thing. All your truck gets all scratched up. Let's turn on the defroster because we can't see nothing. There's another truck coming there. My God. It's a lot of mud. Yeah, that's the only bad part about these mud tires. They grab a whole lot of mud and rocks and all that stuff. 10 miles an hour. All right, we are home now. Just got home. I'm washing the mud off of the truck. I just didn't want to get it dried up in here. The rain on our way back did help a little bit, so we don't have a whole lot of mud. Some of it already came off, but as you can see, there's still a lot here. And yeah, it's really a pain in the rear to actually remove it when it's dried, because when it's dry, it pretty much gets really hard and it bonds into the paint. Pretty much creates very hard to remove. As you can see, there's a lot on the ground still and a lot on the truck. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews to deals. I got more reviews coming up on Review Tuesdays, more holiday deals. So wish you guys had a good, great Christmas and a happy New Year that's coming up. Thank you guys for watching.